Hi, I'm Dr. Georgia Witkin.
And I'm Kimberly Pauley.
And I'm Kimberly's mother.
And I'm the mother of 2 boys.
Which makes me Gigi for Grandma Georgia.
So welcome to Gigi and me.
We talk about everything.
Well, the reason I talk to my mother about everything is that she's a professor of psychiatry, professor of OBGYN, she's written 10 books on stress, and she's a Fox News contributor.
And Kimberly is a lawyer, a columnist, a college professor, and pregnant.
So we're going to be talking about pregnancy. Please join us.
Okay, I'm sure this is your favorite topic of all, body changes before and after pregnancy, but first say hello.
My name is Kimberly Pauley, and I have 2 sons, and I'm pregnant with my 3rd son.
I'm Jenny Vynerib. This is Oliver. I have 2 daughters in addition to him. He's a little cranky. Sorry.
I'm Susan Krauss. I have a 3-and-a-half-year-old son and a 2-week-old son.
Okay, so what part of your body changed the most when you were pregnant?
My breasts.
Unequivocally.
Did obviously get so enormous that and before that it's annoying and difficult, and yes, that's the one I would say.
The baby will be very
happy.
Yeah, I think obviously your stomach, but the downside to that is that even when the stomach starts to go, the love handles stay. Yes. It's kind of the residue.
Yeah. I would say probably like my rear area, my bottom, the bottom half of my body. It's funny, I don't change that much up top. I don't have the issue that.
No, I have that too. My 7-year-old told me that my butt is growing in the same proportion as my stomach. Yes. He said when people get pregnant, does that mean that their butt gets as big as their stomach?
Did you tell him you carry in your tush?
No, I told him he was not allowed to have dessert for the next 2 weeks.
How about husbands? I mean, are they making comments, or are you worried about it, or do you say, hey, I'm carrying for both of us? You know, they're going to have to deal.
I actually, interestingly enough, my husband, I think this is probably true for a lot of husbands, likes me with extra weight on me.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, he thinks that he likes bigger women and thinks that I'm scrawny, he has said, or too skinny sometimes, and likes when I have like more up top and more in the back. So as far as him, it's okay. It's more me.
Oh, see, I knew I was bad when David walked into the bathroom one night and I was changing, and he looked at me and he said, "Whoa."
That's like all he said.
Right. You could imagine my reaction to that, right?
Sure, you looked that.
That was great.
I was actually telling my mother that I was, when we were in bed, I think it was actually my last pregnancy, not this pregnancy, or maybe even my first, but I was backing up in bed towards him, and he went, beep, beep, beep.
That's actually very funny.
But I think it's funny because I know that he has no problem with it, and I'm not concerned with him, and I am more worried about myself, and I know how I feel comfortable and what weight I feel comfortable about. I have no concern about him, and he knows that if, he was ever going to actually say something that would hurt my feelings, that he would be the one ultimately to pay.
Right.
So,
totally.
yeah, I think it is okay and funny as long as you know and you're comfortable with yourself.
So you're really saying you have to understand that you're pregnant, not fat. Guess how long it's supposed to take for your body to get back, according to physicians?
2 years.
Same length as the pregnancy, 9 months. How much of this is a pressure on you? There you are, right? You're exhausted. You have all these visitors. You have the baby. I heard recently that a lot of women postpone baby parties, whether they're brisses or christenings. They have it privately, and then they have the party 2 months later, so they're back in shape. I mean, is that so important after you've given birth?
Yes.
It is?
Don't you think?
Yeah.
Just to getting back to feeling like yourself.
I think that's kind of what it is. And whether that's a weight thing or, because it can also be an appearance thing that isn't so much about weight. I mean, I don't know how you guys feel.
I don't think it's not that much about weight.
So you guys been through it. This is not your first
thing.
children. What's your piece of advice for those going through their first pregnancy when it comes to their body afterwards?
Oh, I think they should look forward to getting into their clothes again, but not beat themselves up about how fast they're going to do it. I think it's exciting to know, I can wear those pair of jeans next fall, and make that your goal.
Yeah, but be realistic, Jen.
I think that, you have to be realistic. And I think also another important thing is you're so tired at the beginning. I mean, my baby is almost 4 weeks old. I can't even imagine starting to exercise anytime soon because I'm too sleep deprived. So you have to take a little time for that as well. So give yourself a little slack.
Want to add something?
Just also that, you know, your body may be different after having a baby in wonderful ways too. You may not get in that pair of jeans or in that outfit, but, you know, your body is changing.
The wonderful ways. That's great.
There can be some wonderful ways.
Absolutely. And let's hope so. Thank you.